Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians. Powder Kart Skill Dreams. So model cars and coffee today. I'm just going to quickly do an update, bench update. I got stuff all over the desk. I'm trying to get this my off-road group build done. Got like a week left, so I've got everything all over the desk. I don't really feel like cleaning anything up to show anything else, so I'll just kind of do a quick update of how this first Gen Bronco is coming along. It's coming along good, so hopefully I will be able to get this done. I'll just get you flipped around. Everything's all mismatched on the desk here, but anyways, it is what it is. It's messy, and I'll try and show you where I'm at real quick. We're gonna head out on a little road trip today, so just gonna get this done real quick. Okay, we'll get you turned around. Okay, so this is where I'm at with the chassis. I just got the engine installed. I just got that air cleaner sitting there. So I did go ahead and wire this engine up. Just got the exhaust sitting on there, well, glued in. But the next stage I need to get to is, before I put in the suspension, I want to make sure to have the body on ready to go, so I can make sure everything's sitting aligned properly. I wanted to put seat belts in this, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time. This isn't glued in. The seats are glued in, but that's the cage anyway. So that's how that's gonna look. I think it turned out pretty decent. It's a really simple cage. Seats look really good. Too bad they didn't have the same pattern for the back. But yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, I de-chromed the grill. Got to get that all detailed up. I did get the body polished up. Not my best paint, but definitely my best airbrush paint job, because this is the first time I've ever start to finish all airbrush, so I'm pretty happy about that. Not striving for perfection this first one, obviously. There is a bit of peel in some spots, but it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. So just painted this, started detailing this inside here. The battery detailed up. So that's how that's going. Sorry. I think I've already showed the tires. I haven't really done much with these. They're still sitting at the same. I did add valve stems to that, if you can see right here. That's where that's at. And I did get my dash finished up. So I had a bit of clear to that, just to get it closer to the body finish. And that's looking pretty good. Happy with that as well. And the door cards, these are all finished. So if I put seatbelts on, I've got to put them in before I put the door cards on, so that's kind of why I'm waiting Still sitting in my head about that. It's going to add more time to the build to get that done. So that's where I'm at, deciding whether I want to do that or not. So we'll see how that goes. I'll just do a quick little mock-up here, how this looks. Oops, sorry. So that looks pretty cool, I think. Right, and then you get, so this window, this front, I still have to polish this part, but it's a little bit warped. So I'm going to have to try and get that window in there nice and straight. I did get the window frame done. So I got that black outline for the weathering strip. So this is going to sit like this. Something like that. So that's how that'll look. I think that'll look really cool. So that's where I'm at with that. Trying to figure out how that's going to sit. The top's going to sit. But just the way I have the windshield sitting on this, it might just rest on there and then glue to the top of the windshield frame up here. So we'll see how that turns out. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Once I cleared this color, it looks really cool. Pretty happy with how that turned out. That's the Arcadian Blue from MCW, and then with MCW clear, lacquer clear over top. So I've still got to put some decals on this. I know I'm going to do the Bronco decal. I was thinking about putting a white stripe since I removed the chrome trim. Thinking about putting a white stripe down this side. There's two options for decals on this. You can do the one around the wheel wells, and then there's a fine stripe that goes along this you can do with the stripe around this part on the hood. So once I get all that figured out, and then I'll know more how she's gonna look. So anyways, hope everyone's having a good Sunday. Hope everyone has a great Christmas, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Pat out, model on. Thank you very much.